eModels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Festa here from eModels. Yes, what have we got for you today, I hear you ask? We have got some GodHand Spin Mold 45 GH CSB 4513, and these are spin mold bits, folks. What do they do, I hear you ask? They are made for making round flat bottom holes with a diagonal 45-degree wall. With the centre pin you can drill a hole without the pilot hole. Absolutely. The diameter of the bottom hole diameter, you've got 1 mil, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3 mil in their peaks. It says please fix the pin vise firmly into place before used. Do not use it as a chisel. Make sure no one is around and wear obviously your protective eyeglasses and all of that. And do not apply a load exceeding the capacity, and drill slowly with a right hand rotation, i.e. clockwise, folks. So let's open these up and have a little looky-kins, and I'll let you know why I've got them. And it is because in the last review I did, you'll remember I drilled the holes for these exhausts, and I said to you there's a little trick, there's a little gadget you can use to get a nice flat bottom on these. Well, this is the secret, folks. It's these little spinny drill bits. So we'll grab one like so, and we'll open it up. We'll check the bore, which is perfect, and we'll load them into the pin vise. Now these fit the deep collet pin vise, so I just unscrew that, pop those in like so. Make sure it's seated right away back as well. You don't want it slipping in your hand, and then just nip it up. I'm going to hold that to my hand so that you can see the edge on it. It's perfectly flat right at the base. Now if you remember, the drill bits we drilled last time have got a point on them. We want to flatten it out, so it's very similar to what GW do. So we'll grab our Rogel Dawn. I have that so it just rests in me knuckle. I line it up, and then I just start turning it very slowly all the way in. The swarf will come up through the gap. Drop that out like so, and there is a perfect flat bottomed hole in the exhaust. How easy was that? Come on, admit it. It was really easy, honest. I don't know why I did that. So we're going to do the other two. Just clean that off, line it up, and then just gently let it do the work for you. It'll cut quite happily, and I'm just going through this exhaust till I'm happy with the depth. Pull the swarf out. I can clean it off and just give it another little tweak just to pull any more swarf out. But look how easy that is. Oh. And it's great for drilling out the gun barrels on all your GW kits. Again, gently does it. Let the tool do the work for you. That's what these are all about, these GodHand tools. Let the tool do the job. Don't have to go mad. Certainly don't have to put it in an electric drill, because, yeah, the world would stop evolving if you did that, and I would issue a finger of shame. And there are 4 perfectly drilled holes. Look at that. Straight away, I'm looking at them thinking the potential of things I could use them for, folks. Very simple, very effective piece of equipment. You know, being the GodHand brand, they're going to do exactly what you want them to do. I mean, there's an example of a Games Workshop hole that's pre-drilled, flat-bottomed. So you can achieve that with this set of drill bits, folks. And again, very easy to use. Remember, clean them off like so, and then just keep them in their nice little storage case until you need them the next time. And as you can see, I don't think you'll be disappointed with them. I really don't. Simple, effective. GH. Can't go wrong with the brand. CSB 4513 is the SKU number. A nice set of 5 there, and that covers all the sizes I basically want to do my Games Workshop builds with, and they fit the pin vise collet type, deep collet. You can't go wrong. So I would thoroughly recommend these to you. Go grab some, go put them in your basket, you know you want to. And there is also individual ones that you can get, folks. This is the 1.3mm size one. Comes in its own convenient little bag, so if you can't get the set, you can always buy them as individuals, folks. They come in their own little protective individual case, which on the Cute Alert scale is at least a 9.9. This is the little 1.3mm size, which fits for me perfectly between those two bits, hence why I grabbed one. Again, simple little case that they come in, convenient to store, and inside you get a nice little spinny bit. Same process as what we've just seen, but look at the edge on that. Wow, isn't it? Proper quality stuff. And on the side there you've got the GodHand with the size of the bit you've got on there, the 1.3 there, folks. I don't think you can go wrong with these. And again, just remember, don't be tempted to sling them in a drawer. Keep them in their little cases. Because at the end of the day, if you look after your tools are going to come and look after you, aren't they? And again, a nice little convenient size there. So you've got two choices. You can either get them as a set, or you can go out and grab your individual ones, whatever you choose. But I don't think you'll be too disappointed, especially if you do a lot of tabletop stuff. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And that took me minutes. And again, you could use them to do all this sort of detail. You could go in, if you're not happy with the depth of those, you could just go in and redo these nice and deep. If you're doing Gatling guns, things like that, you could do all the holes around the guns. You could do detail stuff where you can use these to go into a panel, and then you can drop a rivet in the middle so it looks like a recessed rivet or a recessed bolt head. The possibilities are endless, folks. So go grab yourself a set of them. You know you want to. You can't go wrong with those, folks. That is the GodHand spin drills. There you go. So I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay well. Go grab some of these. Oh, GodHand. Oh.